Hey guys, it's Miss Timpson here. I wanted to record a short video for you guys to help with your next assignment. So I am looking at page 62 and I'm going to be turning over also to page 63 to do a couple of different problems with you guys. So when looking at this first problem, it says circle the expression that matches the words. So basically circle the equation that matches the words. Terry had 18 worms. She gave 4 worms to Susie and 3 worms to Jamie. Okay, so when we break down that problem, we need to think she is giving away 4 worms and then she's giving away another 3 worms. So we need to take away how many worms is she giving away total. So the first problem represents her giving away the 4 worms, but then she's going to be adding worms to what she has. That is not what is happening in this sentence. The first problem is saying she has 18 worms and she's subtracting 4 and 3. Whatever when you add 4 plus 3, she's subtracting that total from 18. In this equation, it says Terry had 18 worms. She gave away 4. She gave away 3. So the equation that matches our words is 18 minus 4 plus 3. Okay? Rick had $8. He then worked 4 hours for $5 each hour. Okay? He had $8 to start off with. And then he worked 4 hours for $5 each hour. So I need to think about how would I calculate up how much he made. I have 4 hours times the $5 an hour he made, and then I'm going to add that to my $8 or his $8 that he already had. Okay? So the first equation is what matches the words. Remember, your parentheses is telling you what to do first. Okay? In both occasions. What to do first. So let's flip over. I'm going to erase this page. And I gotta do this. And we'll leave this page. And now we're going to jump over to number 3. The directions on this problem says write an expression to match the words. So you are writing an equation to match the words. Greg drives 26 miles on Monday and 90 miles on Tuesday. So he drives 26 on Monday and 90 miles on Tuesday. So I am doing 26 plus 90. Notice my numbers are also in the order that they are listed in the equation. Linda has 27 fewer fish than Jack. Jack has 80 fish. An important word in this equation is fewer. Fewer fish. Fewer means to subtract. So she has 27 fewer fish than Jack. I'm taking away or subtracting 27 from 80. Okay? The next expression, we are to write the words to match the expression. So you're making up a story for this equation. For number 5, I could say something along the lines of, Billy had 34 baseball cards. He gave away 17 to his friend. That would be something that would work for number 5. I could say, I had 34 pet chickens, and 17 of them ran away. So they're gone. So I'm taking away 17, all right? That would also work. So you would be making up a story that matches the equation. Number 6, you will be doing the same thing. You need a story that makes you do this 12 minus 4 first. So I might say something along the lines of, Miss Timpson has $12. She then gives away $4 to Miss Tart. Miss Savannah has 6 times as much money as Miss Timpson. That would be an example. Like I would have the $12, I would give away 4, and Miss Savannah has 6 times as much as the value that I have. You would find 12 minus 4, and that would be 8, and then do 6 times 8 to figure out what is the value that Miss Savannah had. Okay? For time's sake, to keep the videos short, where the videos you don't have a difficult time to download, I'm not going to write in the answers for those right now. Okay? Write an expression to match the words. You're going to write in an equation to match the words. Jose shared 12 party favors equally among 6 friends. So to share equally means that you are dividing. I'm on the wrong one. Bye. 12 party favors, share equally among 6 friends. Shared equally. Very, very, very important division words. Braden has 14 baseball cards. He finds 5 more baseball cards. So he has 14. He finds 5 more. Okay, hopefully first he tried to see if he could find the owner, but if not, then I guess they were okay to keep. Isabella bought 12 water bottles of water at $2 each. So she bought 12 will come first. Each of those was $2. So the quickest way to find that value is to do 12 times 2. The important word is each. Each. Monique had $20. She spent $5 on lunch and $10 at the bookstore. So she starts off with this $20 and she's going to spend it. So it's going away. She spent $5 on lunch and $10 at the bookstore. So if I wanted to find how much she spent in total, I would add these values together and then I would subtract it from the total that she started with. Write words to match the expression. So once again, on 11 and 12, you'll be writing a example of each of these equations. Okay? So like number 11, you might write something like, I had 36 pieces of candy. I shared them equally amongst 9 friends. I had 36 baseball cards. I shared them equally amongst 9 friends. Something about sharing another thing equally. Okay, number 12. On number 12, let me clear my screen and scroll down a little bit. On number 12, we're also writing an expression. So I could make up a shopping trip question too that is like some of the other questions that we've looked at, such as I went to the store and I had $35. I spent $16 on a beach towel and I spent $11 on sunscreen. So I started out with $35, I spent $16, I spent $11. That is an example also of that equation. Number 13 is a match. So we're matching the equation to the words. Draw the line to match the expression with the words. Fred catches 25 fish. He releases 10 fish and catches 8 more. Okay, so he catches 25 fish. He releases 10 fish and he catches 8 more. This one is a tough one. This one is a tricky one. So he has 25 fish in all. He releases. So the release part means that he is giving away, he is releasing 10 fish. They're gone. Okay, then he's going to catch 8 more. So the equation that matches the first one is the bottom equation. He has 25, he takes away 10 first, and then he's going to add 8 more. Okay? Nick has 25 pens. He gives 10 pens to one friend and 8 pens to another friend. So this one matches this equation. 25 pens. He's going to He gives 10 to one friend and 8 to another. So he's a really nice person. Jan catches 15 fish and lets 6 fish go. Catches 15, let's go 6. Libby catches 15 fish and lets 6 go for 3 days. So she's doing catching fish and lets 6 go for 3 whole days. That matches the stop equation. Libby is quite the fisherwoman. Okay, guys, so that assignment will help you on your next assignment. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.